kids, welcome to the Christmas party. Christmas is my absolute favorite holiday of the year, and I'm so excited. We have a present that we're going to unwrap and see what's inside. You ready? Let's get started. We have a beautiful angel. And if you know the Christmas story, the birth of Jesus Christ, you'll know that it is an angel who told both Jesus' mother Mary and the wise men that Jesus would be coming. So there we have an angel representing the beautiful messenger. We have a star, and it was a star that was shining brightly above Jesus' manger after he was born, which the wise men followed to go see him. Isn't this pretty? Pretty silver star. Ooh. We have a little gift. The wise men brought gifts to the baby Jesus when he was born, and that's why we give gifts to each other on Christmas. So we have a little gift. Look at that, a little present. So cute. A Christmas tree. Christmas tree is not in the Bible, but that's okay because it's become a beautiful decoration for this wonderful holiday. Here's an ornament for a Christmas tree. Not that one because it's too big. That there. And of course we like to have holiday treats. Here's a gingerbread man for Christmas. Here's a snowflake. And although it doesn't snow everywhere on Christmas Day, some of us like to have snowy Christmases. And with snow, we can make a snowman. Like Frosty, maybe? Okay. That guy over there. This is our friend Saint Nicholas, or better known as Santa Claus. He has a very interesting role in the holiday of Christmas, but for now, we'll just enjoy Santa, just the way he is. And here's Santa's favorite reindeer, Rudolph, of course. So we'll put Rudolph here. The rest of the gang. Here we have a candy cane, which is also very popular during Christmas. And I think it's really the only time when you eat candy canes. This is a milk chocolate candy cane, which is called The Legend of the Candy Cane. sharing in the sweetness of the true meaning of Christmas. And there's a little poem on the back. You may not be able to see it very well. I hope you can. But I'll read it. It says, Jesus' gentle spirit, this cane of red and white, proclaims the sweet love story, born on Christmas night. The cane you see when turned around begins your name of love, and now becomes a symbol of peace proclaimed above. The stripes are friendship and the nearness of your love, eternal sweet compassion, a gift from God above. And so this cane reminds us of just how much you care, and like your Christmas gift to us, it's meant for all to share. What a lovely poem. I'll have it in the description if you want to read it yourself. Here's the yummy candy cane in chocolate red and white. We had a little snowman. Now here's a big one. And he's a dancer. Let's take him out. Look at him go. Okay. Put him there. Maybe he'll keep dancing. Here's some more snowflakes. I think we need a few more to dash through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Right? We need a few more. This is a wind-up train set. Wind it up and see what happens. What else do we have? We have a big, beautiful Christmas tree. One more Christmas tree. What else? Play-Doh. Brown Play-Doh. Yellow Play-Doh. White Play-Doh. Red Play-Doh. And green Play-Doh. Here's a Christmas bell cutter for our Play-Doh. Gingerbread man. A Christmas tree. A stocking that some of us like to hang by the fireplace or anywhere else. And a snowman cutter. Let's take the red Play-Doh and make a stocking. Here's our Christmas stocking. So nice. Let's take our yellow Play-Doh and let's make a Christmas bell. And here's our gold Christmas bell. I know they say silver bells, but we're going with gold. Let's take our white Play-Doh and let's make our snowman. I say man because he has on like a dude's hat, so. Snow dude. Here's our snow dude. Take the brown Play-Doh And let's make a ginger dude. Here he is. Now we take our green Play-Doh and we'll make our Play-Doh Christmas tree. Let's put some ornaments on it. Here's our Play-Doh Christmas tree. So there we have it, kids. A little Christmas fun for you. While Frosty is doing his Christmas dance, I want to thank you all for watching this video, and I hope you have a happy and blessed Christmas. And I look forward to seeing you next year. Merry Christmas! Bye!